Now I'm going to create building grow effect. So first I'm going to cut this video from 2 seconds. So let's cut the first part, select this, split this. Now I'm going to select this part. Now let's go to the in painting, and first of all I'm going to remove this tower from the video. So we will have empty sky. So let's increase the size of the brush and let's draw this tower. And now we are done. Now let's click on done in painting, and now as you can see we have this empty sky. Now I am going to duplicate this video. I'm going to select this above. Let's remove the in painting. Now I'm going to select this part, go to the green screen, and this time I'm going to remove the sky from the background and we will have only the tower. Now let's select the tower. So I'm adding multiple points in case it missed some points. So I think we are good. Let's done masking. So let's select this tower. Let's feather this out to about 15%. Or we can type 10% maybe. Now as you can see we have this tower. Now guys, the next step is to select this video, and now we have to go to the crop, and now I'm going to crop from the top, or we can crop from the bottom. So now I have this part. Now I am going to duplicate this video, select this above track, go to the crop, and this time I'm going to crop from the top. So we have to select this, we have to hide this first. Now we have to select this, now we have to go to the crop, and now we have to crop from the top. So I'm just cropping from this part, and now let's have the bottom. So now we are good. Now I'm going to duplicate this video, let's hide this one, select this above, and now let's go to the crop, and this time I'm going to crop from this position, and now let's have the bottom this time. Now as you can see guys, we have this bottom, we have this center part, and we have this top part. So I'm going to select this top part, and let's go to the crop, and let's fill the gap. Select the center one, go to the crop, and let's fill this part. Now guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first hide these clips, and first I'm going to show this clip, and I'm going to cut this clip from this position, select this one, go to the animate, let's add a keyframe in position, and first we have to drag this right here, and now let's go few frames ahead, and let's place this to its original position. Select this one, and I'm going to change this to cubic. We can select and drag this frame, and from this position we have the second part. So now I'm going to trim this from this position. Let's show this clip, and let's hide this clip. Now we can go to the animate, and we can easily animate this part. So I'm going to play this from this position, and now let's have this. Select this, change this to maybe quad. Now let's show this clip, and let's view these two parts. And now we have the final part from this position. So I'm going to trim this video, select this, go to the, so first I'm going to hide these two clips. Let's hide the background as well, and let's show this part only. Go to the animate, I'm going to add a position keyframe. I'm going to place this right here, and now I'm going to place this to its original position. Select this, let's change this to maybe shine. Now we can show all the clips, even the background. And now let's view the result. Now I'm going to select this second and I'm going to change its keyframe position. And now have a look. So guys, if you lower the duration of these layers and you lower the duration of their animation, then you will get this fast-paced result. As you can see guys, now we get this quick result.